Hello, dear students. Today we are going to discuss worksheet number 3 for class 9 for the date 13th July 2021. Students, this worksheet is about samosas, and we all love samosas, especially on a rainy day like today. It is really mouth watering, isn't it? So let us read something about samosas, and probably then in the evening we can have a little samosa party. So all of you, be ready for the samosa party at home. Tell your moms to prepare or get it from outside. Okay, now let's read about samosas from this passage. Samosa is probably the most popular entry, appetizer or snack in the local cuisines of entire South Asia. It is a part of daily diet of most of the people. However, there is more to its history than just being a favorite snack. It is no doubt a favorite snack and people love it. It is part of the daily diet of many of the people. Samosa has its roots in the old Persian culture. पर्शिया से इसका कल्चर से इसके रूट्स ओरिजिन हुए हैं. It is a fried or baked pastry with savory filling like spiced potatoes. Now, depending upon the kind of region you are living in, it has its filling. Somewhere you will find it filled with mutter, somewhere you will find mutter or the peas, and somewhere you will find it filled with potatoes, spiced potatoes, and sometimes you will find, even nowadays you will get chicken samosas, chow mein samosas, and kids, there is another news for you. You will get even chocolate samosas these days. So tell your parents to get you chocolate samosa this time. So depending upon the region, the samosas are filled in, and as we were reading, like it is a fried or baked pastry with a savory filling like spiced potatoes, onions, peas, chicken, and other meats and lentils. It may take different forms, including triangular, cone, or half moon shapes depending upon the region. Samosas are often accompanied by mint chutney or tamarind or tomato sauce. Mint is pudina and tamarind is imli. So, many times it is given with mint chutney or tomato sauce, or imli chutney. Most sweet makers, diners, and street vendors sell samosas daily, and it is divided into two parts, cone and fillers. So the cone is made up of flour, refined flour, which is maida, and it is made in the form of a triangle, and then the filling is filled in it. Cone is generally made up of beaten flour, and the filler may vary according to geographic regions and cultures. So now some fun facts about samosas. The shape of samosas resembles the pyramids. The word samosa was originally named after the pyramid of Middle East. Pyramids पता है ना हमें क्या होते हैं? So samosas are just in the shape of pyramids. Samosas were introduced in Western societies through Indian cuisines, which included vegetable samosas. Western society में samosa जो है वो Indian cuisine is the kind of food. So इंडिया से जो है इंडियंस ने इंट्रोड्यूस करा समोसा वेस्टर्न सोसाइटीज़ में, and it is now famous as vegetable samosa. Despite the popular belief, a vegetable samosa has lesser calories, less than 300 calories, and is generally a healthier meal option if cooked properly with right ingredients. वेजिटेबल समोसा जो है वो लेस देन 300 कैलोरीज का होता है इफ़ इट इज़ कुक्ड प्रॉपरली. Vegetable samosa is the most common kind of samosa eaten around the world. Its counterpart is samosa with minced meat, which is generally eaten in certain geographic regions or culture. और मिन्स्ड मीट वाला जो समोसा है वो भी बहुत पॉपुलर है इन कंट्रीज़ और इन रीजन्स लाइक मुस्लिम्स, टर्क्स, पर्शियंस, मिडल ईस्ट ट्राइब्स, तिब्बतो बर्मीज़ एंड नॉर्थ हिमालय ट्राइब्स में ये मिन्स्ड मीट समोसा जो है वो बहुत पॉपुलर है. Samosa can be eaten as it is and can be prepared into various other popular Indian cuisines such as samosa chaat, samosa chole, samosa pav, कैसे भी हम खा सकते हैं. So let us do these certain questions which are given. Samosa is made up of two parts. We all know, cone and filler. So A part is the correct answer. It has its root in old Persian culture. It is given in the first paragraph of the passage, the last line. It is said that samosa is generally a dash meal option if cooked properly. It is a healthier meal option if cooked properly. Select an antonym from the phrase for the phrase the most common type from the options given below. It is typical. The filler varies according to the geographical regions and culture. Varies. B part is the correct answer. A vegetable samosa has less than 300 calories. A part. The shape of the samosa resembles the pyramid shape. D part. Most sweet makers, diners, and street vendors sell samosas on daily basis. So C part is the correct answer. So students, I hope you'll enjoy doing this worksheet on samosa and will send it to your respective subject teachers. Have a nice day all of you. Enjoy doing this worksheet.